Hello there, folks. This is Papa G, your compost gardening CEO, who brings you guys a variety of videos. And right now, guys, we're going to harvest some muscadines. Let's go see if we got any muscadines out here today, guys. We're gonna harvest them. Intro. When I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw a bull riding around the hills and mountains. Steady hoop, steady holloway all around the Mary Street. With a ring ting tang and a ting 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 and a through the way, a bow wow wow and a moo 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 and a heap of people that I do know. And through the way we'd run play ball, and through the way we would run. Yes, guys, we're gonna harvest some muscadines or scuppernines. Let's see if it's any out here, guys. Let's see. I see some. I see some right up here on the vine. Let me feel them and let me test them. And yeah, it came right off, guys. Muscadines. Ain't that beautiful? Yes, indeed. That makes Papa G happy, guys. Because as you guys know, Papa G like to ha 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 ha. Eee, guys. Yes, indeed. Papa G like to eee. All right. So we got a couple, guys, already. Let's keep checking. Okay. I see a couple on the ground over here. Yeah, that looks like a good one, guys. This looks like one that can, yeah, it's busted. I'm gonna put it right back down there and go on and grow me some more. Grow me some more scuppernines. Yes, indeed. As you guys know, Papa G like to ha 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 ha. Guys. Yes, indeed. Let me check the vine some more. And see if it's any more up here. Check this real good, and then I'll check the ground in case some has fallen to the ground. Let's see, I think I see one here. Oh yeah, I see one right here, guys. All right. It's a little hard, but I don't think it'll take long before it do some ripening. Yes, indeed. Look at that mosquito hawk, as we used to call them. I believe they eat mosquitoes, I think. I'm not sure. What do you guys know? Put it in the comment section. Let Papa G know. Advise Papa G on what those are. We called them mosquito hawks growing up. But anyway, guys, we are harvesting muscadines. It seems like that one can get a little riper. This was pretty close. Muscadines, guys. We are harvesting muscadines. Let's see here. I ate some today already, guys. They were pretty good too. Pretty good. Yep. Some of them have busted. I don't know what caused them to burst like that, unless they fell out of the tree and hit the ground and burst. I don't know. But anyway, that's what we're doing right now, guys. That's what we're doing today. Harvesting muscadines. Oh, here's a little patch right here, guys. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. See, when they're kind of that golden tone, that lets you know that they are getting ripe. They are pretty close to being ripe, guys. Woo! Popo G, that makes Popo G happy, guys. Because this hard work that I've put in, putting up this trellis, is paying off. It's paying off, guys. More food for Popo G. Because as you guys know, Popo G likes to eat, guys. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. That one's pretty close. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. Here's another one here. Yeah, it's feeling right good, guys. In Popo G's hand. Yes, indeed. Let's search around a little more. Collecting some goodies, guys. Some food for Popo G. As you guys know, Popo G likes to eat, guys. Popo G likes to eat. Yes, indeed. All right. Yes, indeed. We are collecting or harvesting scuppernines. Some call them muscadines. I think muscadines is the proper name, but it's me and my friends. My friends and I grew up. We called them scuppernines. What do you guys call them? Put it in the comment section. What you guys call them? Yeah, this labor that I spent putting up this trellis here. This trellis is paying off, guys, with some food. Good snack. Y'all see a commercial come on, an ad come on. Let it play. Let it play and get you a snack. We'll get you a snack and come on back. help Popo G out, guys. Let the ass play on and on and on and on and on for Popo G. Yeah. Yeah. We'll see how that one turns out. All right. But anyway, I think that about does it, guys. I think that's about it. Plus the mosquitoes are starting to get Popo G. They starting to, they like to eat too, as well. Yeah, they like to eat as well, guys. But yeah, they like to eat as well. That's my neighbor with the luster over there cutting his grass. But anyway, I think I'm gonna let that do it for the day. Those mosquitoes are attacking Popo G, guys. But anyway, that's the way it go, guys. I am the CEO, the Compost Gardening CEO, who brings you guys a variety of videos. Look at the bounty we have. Yes, indeed. I feel those mosquitoes eating my legs, guys. Eating my legs. They're attacking Popo G, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the outro, guys. When I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw a boat riding around the hills and mountains. Steady hoop, steady hollering around the merry street. With a ring ting tang and a ting 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 and a through the way by wah wah and a moo 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 and a heap of people that I do know. And through the way we run play ball and through the way we would run. Now see, I got some more watermelon plants growing in the compost bin, guys. What do you know about that? Thank you guys for tuning in to Popo G again. Thank you.